So, I'm super impressed with this guitar. I paid $266 on eBay. They shipped it right to my house. When I got it, I pulled out of the bag, looked it all over. The only problem that I had with it is when I was bending down the frets, it felt very gritty and sticky. So I took it to Guitar Center, had the tech guy do polish and setup. He gave it back to me. It was perfect. Got the action right where I wanted it. It plays excellent. Just some highlights that I noticed. I noticed the nut is cut very well. I was very impressed with that. Love the locking tuners. You have the awesome cutaway. You can get all the way up to the last fret easy. All right. Truss rod wheels right here. Easy to adjust your neck if you need to. Right. I like the bridge, how it's comfortable. It's flat. Right. Won't cut into your skin. Toggle switch for the 7-tone operation. Just overall, I'm very pleased with this instrument. I mean, if you're a beginner, intermediate guitar player, I think Donner's making killer stuff. Thanks for watching my demo, and go check out Donner.